Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Since Christmas and New Year is around the corner, I thought I'll bake a cake. But I wanted to do something different, so I tried a millet cake. Now there's no added sugar in this recipe, so do check it out. The ingredients list is given below. I've got more such millet and Christmas menu recipes on my channel, so do consider subscribing and clicking the bell. So let's jump right in. So to begin with, I've soaked my dates in milk for 2 to 3 hours so that the dates turn really soft. I've used seedless dates in this recipe. Now what we have to do is to blend this mixture in the blender to a smooth paste. So while I blend it, I've already preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. The blended mixture is ready. To this I'm going to add some oil. Then I'm going to add some vanilla essence, followed by a little bit of honey. Now I'm going to just slightly mix this with a whisk so that everything comes together. After mixing it for a few seconds, I'm going to shift to an electric beater and combine all the ingredients together. So our wet ingredients are ready. Now let's move on to the dry ingredients. For that, I've got a sieve in here into which I'm adding some multi-millet flour along with some powdered oats or oats flour. We also add in baking powder, baking soda and a little bit of salt. Now we'll sieve all this together into a bowl. So I've taken the dry ingredients and I'm going to mix this to the wet ingredients little by little so that there are no lumps. Make sure you mix gently and just fold in. Don't beat it or whisk it because that will make the cake fall. So just fold it in like that. So I'll add the flour gently and mix it and fold it into a batter. So our batter is ready. I've got a greased loaf tin here. I've greased it and then put some butter paper in it. Now I'm going to pour the cake batter into this. Tap it to make sure there are no air bubbles and put it in the oven for 180 degrees Celsius, 40 to 45 minutes. And our lovely millet cake will be ready to be served. So do try this simple recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe.